Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to my channel. My name is Caleb, known as Woodchucker. I'm going to be doing a how-to video on this log. It's a double burner. It's the same effect as a lightning strike on a tree. When the lightning strikes a tree, it goes down and wraps around the whole tree and strikes it, and then forest fire starts, and the tree burns from the inside to the outside. So I'm going to do the same effect on this log, and I'll show you. It's sad to see it in the forest, but if you look at how a forest fire starts, basically, so lightning strikes and wraps around the tree, and then it explodes, but it puts a fire into the tree, and the tree starts to burn from the inside, and it works its way out. So I'm doing the same concept, but I'm starting the fire. So there's a way to make this log be on fire from the inside, and it will get hot, and I'm going to utilize the fire burning on the inside so you can cook on it. So that's what I'm going to be making. It works, but always remember that, dealing with fire, that's why I carved Mr. Smokey the Bear, to remind everybody else, make sure it's dead now. We don't want to start forest fires. So, all said there, let's put him here and continue on. You guys want to see the carving of Smokey the Bear? I've done lots of lives, but we're going to cut this flat now. This is the first step, so let's get to it. I'm going to be using my MS500i. I picked this one instead of my small one because when I go and cut it, I actually want to be flat. So this burner is going to be over here. So I want to make sure that I'm correct level. So I'm going to be basically in this direction. I'm going to slice off just a little bit on this side. This side's flat. So really excited about doing this video, how to make a rocket log. I've done lots of rocket logs. I'll show you one that I've burned quite a bit. So I've done, set it up here for you. So you do all your cooking on top. So this hole here used to be a 2-inch hole. Now obviously it starts to burn. So I've learned quite a bit after burning these. This one's probably burned for probably 4 hours total, and it's still together. After I'm done with it, I'll throw it in and cook my steaks with it. But it's found ways to help control this. So if you have a bigger log, the hole will be bigger here, but still be able to burn, and this one will be small. So if the hole stays small, your flame won't get out of control quicker. So if it stays small here, so it doesn't have much draw, it will slow down the burn and keep your log intact, so you can use it multiple times. So this one here that I'm making, this is probably about the biggest one I've made, but I have some logs that are probably about 24, and it's just kind of falling apart. I'll be cooking on that today. I have some logs that are almost 24 inches round. That one will last extreme long time. I think I said that wrong. It will last quite longer than my other ones do. So I've made little ones, medium ones. You got to have a log that's a little bit bigger around. The bigger around you go, the more surface it has, but you want to keep the hole in the front. They're going to be 2 inches on each of these and have a hole for each. But if you can keep this hole small, the fire won't grow, and they'll last longer. And that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to demonstrate, show you how to make these, and what tools you need, where to get the wood, what type of wood. So you guys, I want to make sure that when I do this video, it will be very easy for you to make them. I don't want to make it hard for you. There's not much to making them, but there's tricks that I've learned, and want to make sure I master them, so when I put this video out, you guys will truly enjoy bringing people over, going camping. But they're super efficient. You won't have a problem, and it's so easy to manage. It's not like having pieces of log and starting a fire, and it's like, okay, if you have this amount of wood, it'll burn this long. I can't tell you that, but I can tell you on these. So that's the good thing. So people that aren't familiar with cooking, the wood just cracked. If you're not familiar with cooking on wood, it doesn't matter. You'll be okay. And that's the part I want to make sure for people that are newer with cooking. If you're doing this the first time, it's still gonna be new, but I'm gonna master it for you and put a video out of what it needs to be done to be successful cooking, and not having a stress in the world about is it gonna be okay, this and that. So thumbs up, subscribe. Very soon I'm going to be putting the video out on how to make it, but this is the one I'm making in the video, so I'm just kind of pre-prepping it. But I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, pass it to your friends, people that love to cook and like to camp, like to entertain people. That's what I'm going to be doing, showing people that want to do something different. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.